This is Carlos the tutor, and this is the problem that I've been given to solve. So if 3x minus y equals 12, what is the value of 8 raised to the power x divided by 2y? So there are a few things that I notice. I'm given two equations, actually not two equations. I'm given an equation here, and I'm given an expression here. This is a linear equation, 3x minus y equals 12. And this is an expression 8 raised to the power x divided by 2 to the y. I'm going to try to simplify one of these and come up with an answer. So the first thing I'm going to do is I notice that 8 can be rewritten. So 8 is 2 cubed. I can use my knowledge of exponents to simplify this expression now. So I'm replacing 8 with 2 cubed. So I have 2 cubed raised to the power x divided by 2y. The next thing that I know is I know the multiplication rule for exponents. So if I have an exponent x raised, excuse me, if I have a base x raised to exponent a, and there's a power here, b, I pretty much multiply a and b, and that's my new power for my base x. And that's the rule I'm going to be using right now. So I've got 2 to the 3x divided by 2y. The next rule for exponents that I'm going to be using in this problem is I'm going to be using the quotient rule for exponents. That tells me when I have an x, base x raised to the power a divided by the same base raised to the power b, I'm going to subtract the top power minus the bottom power. So I'm going to get x to the a minus b. So 2 raised to the power 3x in the numerator divided by 2 raised to the power y in the denominator is now going to simplify due to the quotient rule for powers, and it's going to become 2 to the 3x minus y. Now, if I look at, I've simplified this term, 8 raised to the power x divided by 2 to the power y, and I still have 3x minus y equals 12. I see that 3x minus y is also found in the new expression that I created here. So I know that I can substitute 3x minus y with 12. And the final answer that I get for this problem is 2 raised to the power 12. And that's my final answer.